Hello friends at home. In this video, I'm going to be doing today's religion with you and your friends here in the classroom. As you know, we finished up our religion books last week, but that doesn't mean that we stopped learning about God just because we finished our curriculum book. Oh no, we can learn about God in many ways, places, and forms, and this week we'll be using some pages to help us supplement our learning about God and Jesus and ways that we can be true Christians in our everyday life. So if you take out this page, it says 19B at the bottom, and at the top it says serving others. The first thing I do is always the same. I take out my pencil and I write down my name. So friends here in the classroom and friends at home, you should put your name on the top of this paper. And then the directions say use the empty space to draw or write about how you can love and serve other people. So boys and girls, we have learned throughout this school year that serving others is so important. Not only does it bring us closer to those people, but it brings us closer to God and closer to the kingdom of heaven. Our goal on this earth, Victoria and Lily, our ultimate goal is to get to heaven. We know that heaven is one day eternal happiness forever with God. And that's where we are trying to get. And so it's up to us how we choose to live our life while we're here on this earth. But we know that God is very pleased and very happy when we are kind and good and when we serve other people. Okay? There's an expression that says, in life, we want to find joy. And on this little paper here, I'm going to write the word joy. And I want you to look at this. J-O-Y. Joy. And if you remember that in life you want to find joy, we know that joy is happiness, right? It's very good happiness. And this is actually what we call an acronym, where each letter stands for something. And what this acronym stands for, if we want joy in our life, we have to love Jesus, J-E-S-U-S. Then we have to love others, O-T-H-E-R-S. And finally, we have to love yourself. So in order to find joy, we love Jesus, others, and yourself. So always put Jesus first, and then other people, and then yourself will be happy in the end. So it asks, how can you use your hands to help others? How can you use your feet to help others? And how can you use your voice to help others? They've given some pictures here of ways. On this side, I want you to draw pictures of how you can help, and then write the words above it. So for example, this woman looks like she's preparing food to give to the less fortunate or to serve to people. Maybe you want to draw a picture of yourself making your bed or setting the table at dinner or pulling the weeds out of your mom's flower garden or helping mow the lawn. Maybe you want to use your hands to make a craft or a gift for someone else. Think of a way that you can use your hands to serve someone else. Draw a picture of it and then write above it what it is that you drew. Okay? In the next box, it says, I can use my feet. And we see here this person is walking along. In this space, I want you to draw a picture of how you can use your feet to help someone. And you can get creative with this, okay? Maybe it means you're going to walk door to door at Christmas time and sing Christmas carols. Or maybe you're going to use your feet to go out and walk and raise money in a 5K to earn money for Parkinson's disease or some other illness. Maybe you're going to use your feet to get up and walk to church on Sunday to learn about God so you can go out and teach others. So you can be creative with how you use your feet to serve others. And then just make sure you write at the top what it is that you're doing. And then the last one says, how can you use your voice? And it looks like here the person is singing, and I'm guessing they're probably singing probably Christian songs, but it doesn't have to be. Okay, if you sing beautiful songs and people enjoy that, that's a way of serving. That's a form of service. But it doesn't have to be singing. Okay, you can use your voice to serve others in many ways. Maybe you read a story to your younger brother or sister. That's service. That's a way of serving others. Maybe you tell a friend the good news about Jesus and how he came to earth and died for us and then rose so that we could live forever in heaven with God. However you want to use your voice, draw a picture of it here and then write about what you drew for me. I want these to be colored in beautifully. Not only do I want you to color the pictures that are already there, but I want you to color the pictures you draw as well. And I want you to remember that in 3.5 days, 4 days-ish, you guys are going to be second graders. So this should not look like a preschool or a kindergarten work page. In fact, it really shouldn't look like a first grade page because you're right at the very end of first grade. You are almost second graders. So that's what I should see on this work. So friends at home, take your time, do a nice job on this. Friends in the classroom, take your time, do a nice job on this. And I can't wait to see all of your beautiful pictures and drawings of ways that you can serve people in your community. Bye, friends at home.